difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. You know, the market, 3 days, 1,000 points down. No surprise to us. We forecasted it. Why? Because we have a chart, a color-coded technology chart that identifies the money was pulling out of the market. Check it out. Go to my site, philsgang.com, and for 10 days, you get the chart free and get the membership free. And every day at 2 o'clock, we post our portfolio, so it tells you exactly what to do. Buy, sell, hold, or run like hell. Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. How many times did you say, boy, he's negative about the stock market? He's just a grumpy old man. Well, it proved out I was correct. Myself and my chart, color-coded chart. Tells you when to buy, when to sell, when to run like hell. Hey, it's free for 10 days. Check it out. You get the color-coded chart, and you get my membership. Both free for 10 days. This time, you're not going to be surprised when the market crashes. You will be positioned perfectly. Check it out, philsgang.com.
Thinking about investing in the stock market? Go to philsgang.com, where we have over 50 years experience in trading and investing in the stock market. Phil's Gang teaches you how to make profits in the market with stock chart analysis, up-to-the-minute alerts, and always keeping you informed with professional guidance in long and short-term positions. Go to philsgang.com or call one of our professional staff to answer your questions. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Stop wondering about your financial future and start doing something about it.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
Did you know breast cancer kills 113 people every day? That's unacceptable.
African American women die from breast cancer nearly 41% more than Caucasian women.
That's unacceptable.
Breast cancer is the leading cause of all cancer deaths for Hispanic women.
Breast cancer is unacceptable.
Together with Susan G. Komen, we're committed to reducing U.S. breast cancer deaths by half.
And we're going to do it by 2026.
Visit Komen.org/unacceptable.
Remember, when this market crashed in 2009, it should have never crashed, because the chairperson of these two committees, their job was to protect consumers, protect our investments, and they're supposed to ensure that our investments are being monitored. Where were they in 2009 and 2008? They weren't anywhere, because they don't do that. They take care of themselves. They protect themselves. They become richer. So you can't depend on these crooks in Congress. The stock market is a great place to be, but you just got to know this is a different market than your grandfather's market. So why don't you, for 30 days, join my gang, 877-600-GANG, try it for 30 days, $39.95. Follow me. I tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to add, and when to run like hell. All I ask you, start making money. Please remember St. Jude.
Don't wait. Join Phil's Gang today and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money.
your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
More than anything, this pandemic has finally torn back the curtain on the idea that so many of the folks in charge know what they're doing. A lot of them aren't even pretending to be in charge.
Well, he certainly wasn't in charge when he was president. That's what gets me. He comes out slamming the president, but he doesn't even look at his own record, and the press doesn't look at his record. His record is dismal. Over 8 years, it was one of the worst records ever by any modern-day president. He increased budget deficits by more than all the other presidents combined. He was the worst president ever. He put us into a mess. What are you, nuts? Unbelievable. We're going to talk about that today. And, hey, the market's up 928 points, and the economy is collapsing. How do you like that? And here's what's really funny about it. The professionals, like ourselves, were more than willing to sell to the retail customer who doesn't know what they're doing, especially those in 401ks, the stocks that we've made money on. And that's what's going on right now. People don't understand that. Remember, the retail customer, unfortunately, he always buys at the wrong time. He always buys at the top. He always says, man, it seems like every time I get into the market, it goes down. It seems like every time I get out of the market, it goes up. And that's what's going on right now. Do you know the market's going up today? Almost 1,000 points based on another one. Here we go again. Remember, it was about 3 weeks ago. We had the same thing happen with some company coming out and say, oh, they think they got the vaccine. Of course, they didn't. Today, they came out, same thing. Another company comes out and says, well, we're testing the vaccine. We're very excited about it. And the stock of the company, I think it's called Madrid, went up. I may have that name wrong. I'll double check. Moderna, thank you. Went up 26%. 26%. Because they think they have a virus, or it's promising. They always say it's promising. Then they had then the market also went up because they took 8 young kids now, and they did a vaccine test. This was another company, some vaccine test, on 8 kids, and they lived. Of course, they're 8 young kids, healthy kids. And remember, this is the group that doesn't die. The people that die are the people who are 50, 60, 70, 80 years old, not young kids. I told you, they're going to do everything they can. Larry Kudlow with the Plunger team every day is going to come out just like they did with, hey, we're going to sign the trade agreement. Hey, we're going to sign the trade agreement. That's what they're doing now. Same exact thing. But you got to make money on these rallies. See, here's the problem. Most people, okay, they don't know when to get out. Anybody can get in a stock. A lot of people jump in the stock market. They all excited. Market's up almost 1,000 points. They're all jumping in. They can't get in. They don't know what the hell they're doing. And the funny thing, they're buying stock from people like me and my members. We're selling our stock to them that we're already up 55%. Or we're already up 22%, like Apple, or up 23% in Microsoft, or up 33% in Netflix. People are jumping in these stocks left and right. Well, we're selling them our shares because we're already up. We sell into the rally. It's ridiculous. It's like a sucker's game. Sucker's game. We're selling them our Starbucks. We're up 26%. We're selling them our gold, AUI, up 79%. We're up 79%. But see, we bought these when nobody wanted them. You got to buy stocks when nobody wants them. So now you got the retail customers jumping in left and right because of a rumor that 8 people, young, healthy kids, took a vaccine and they survived. Like they weren't going to survive. And this other company says, we got a very promising event going on here with this virus. But they didn't say we have a virus. Just unbelievable, isn't it? It's just insane. Remember, it was about 3 weeks ago, we went through some other company, came out and said the same thing. We had the same kind of rally, almost 1,000 points. So this is what the Plunger team does. This is what they're going to do. Wouldn't it be nice if the market went up 900 points, they said earnings going forward are going to increase? Rather, we go up 900 points and we lost 20 million jobs. Manufacturing, 1.3 million jobs. Retail, 2.1 million jobs. Health, education, we lost 2.5 million jobs. Markets up 900 points. Leisure hospitality, 7.7 million jobs. Markets up 900 points. How about the performing arts and sports? They cut 217,000 jobs. I'm talking just April. Hotels cut 839,000 jobs. That's hotels, gaming, that sort of. Amusement and gaming. That was like 1 million jobs. Then you have food services and all these other services, 5.5 million, because that's most of the jobs that we create is food service jobs. Vegas alone, 30% of their workforce gone. So here's think about this way here. Hey, guess what? Vegas lost 30% of their workforce. Manufacturing's down 1.3 million in April. Hey, April, we lost 20 million jobs. 5 million alone in services. And today, the market's up 900 points. What are you, nuts? That's why you got to know when to buy, when to sell, and when to run like hell. And we do this every day here at Phil's Gang. This is what we do every day. It's unbelievable. So, yes, we're going to keep buying stocks as long as they want to create this fake stimulus. And look what else. Another reason why the market's up today. Powell comes out and he says, oh, by the way, not to worry, we can print all the money we need because we do it digitally. Digitally, we can buy everything. We can print as much money we want and bail out every company. We can buy their real estate. We can buy their cars. We can buy anything they have, the Federal Reserve, in lieu of cash. That's what they do. Remember, what they do is they bail out bad companies, terrible companies that are broke. You and I are bailing them out. And think about this. In 2008, they had on their balance sheet $450 billion of money that they, remember what they did? They bought $450 billion worth of stuff and gave these companies $450 billion in cash. We're at $7 trillion from $450. And he comes out over the weekend. This is why we're up another 900 points today, saying, I can print as much money as I want. Because it's digital and there's no gold. There's no gold standard. See, that's why you need gold standard to stop it. Do you understand what's happening when they have printed $7 trillion? That means one day you're going to have to go to the supermarket and it's going to cost you $100 for a quart of milk. People have no idea how he's destroyed. Let me tell you, the Federal Reserve better be shut down. They've never been right about anything. The Federal Reserve's always been wrong. They've destroyed this country while making the top 1% very, very wealthy. We'll be right back after this break to show you how to capture that wealth.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. The fastest drop in history, 3,000 points in 3 days. Wow. But we are right there with my color-coded chart. How many times did you say, listening to me, boy, he's negative. He's just a grumpy old man. And I kept telling you this would happen. And with my color-coded chart, it worked. Check it out. Go to my site, philsgang.com, where you get the color-coded chart and you get my membership free for 10 days. And the best thing is this, that you can, without any work at all, at 2 o'clock, go to my site. We have a video posted of our portfolio stocks. Just select which one you want to follow. every day we tell you exactly what to do based on the color-coded chart. If you just follow those instructions to a T, then you're going to have the highest probability of being successful. Check it out, philsgang.com. Get it free for 10 days, the membership and the color-coded chart. See you on the charts.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from. All that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Philsgang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Philsgang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Philsgang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. How many times did you say, boy, he's negative about the stock market? He's just a grumpy old man. Well, it proved out I was correct. Myself and my chart. Color-coded chart. Tells you when to buy, when to sell, when to run like hell. Hey, it's free for 10 days. Check it out. You get the color-coded chart and you get my membership. Both free for 10 days. This time, you're not going to be surprised when the market crashes. You will be positioned perfectly. Check it out, philsgang.com. When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Market's almost up 1,000 points on news. There's more bankruptcies coming.
We're probably going to see another wave of bankruptcies. Look at the retailers. These are businesses that historically have been highly leveraged. Many of them came out of bankruptcy in the past, and in order to take them public and acquire them, they threw a lot of debt on them. So when revenue's not coming in the door or the doors are closed, it's very, very difficult to service that debt. So
what we do is bail them out. See, that's what we do. You and I, as taxpayers, we bail them out. The Federal Reserve, because it's digital money. Remember, digital. That's right, digital. It's phony money. It's funny money. So like he said last night, Powell, look, it's digital. Don't matter. I can print as much as I want. So now they're going to go and they'll go to these bankrupt companies. They're not going to give money to good companies. Why do that? They could grow. Let's give it to the bad companies. Because who owns all the stocks in the bad company? The same bad guys, the same 1 percentile, the 1/100th of 1 percentile. These are the same guys that control the Federal Reserve, a banking cartel. They're the same guys who control the fake business news networks. You're talking the exact same group who control Fox Business, CNBC Business, Bloomberg Business, all the business networks, so that they can tell us what they want us to know. Because, see, they think we sit on the world's stupid bench, the longest stupid bench in the world. That's what they think. It's unbelievable. So the market's going up on all this bad news. And then again, on the stock, on news that this one company, it's Moderna. I can't pronounce Moderna. Now, here's what's interesting. Remember Gilead? Now, Gilead, I told my members when they had the same thing came out, right? And everybody jumped. I said, don't jump in it. Don't jump in it. It's going to collapse. It's going to collapse, and wait till it turns red, and then you can short the darn thing. I mean, I had so many people contact us about this. Same thing. Should I get in? Should I buy it? And we said, no. And look what happened. It turned red. Our color-coded technology that follows, please understand this, the color-coded technology follows the institutional money, the big money. And they were pulling the money out. And they were selling. See, this is what happens. Excuse me. The professionals who bought GILD, they bought it when it was $64. They sold it to the retail customer at $85. See, that's how it works. That's right. See, the retail customer didn't buy it at $84. If it was in their 401k, the guy who runs the 401k, he didn't buy it for them at $84 or $64 rather. He didn't buy it at $64. He waited and bought it for the 401k guys. He bought it probably around $84. That's how it works. So the professionals bought it, let's say, at $65, and now the professionals sell it to the retail customers through their 401ks and everything else to the retail customers at $84. That's how it works. That's what's going on today. The big boys, the institutions, are selling to the retail customer. The stocks, they're up 22% and 33%, like us, 22%, 34%. And if you had our color-coded technology chart, you would have seen it turned red. It started to turn red on May 11th after they had this big announcement. And so the stock dropped from $86 down to $74. What's that? That's 14%. So what are you going to do? Now today, the stock symbol mRNA, Moderna. Okay, the people who were smart, the big professionals, the institutions got in when it turned from red to green. And a few of our members too, we got emails. They bought it when it turned green. That was at $30. Now today it gaps up to $84. Well, guess what? They are the people who got in, the pros that got in at $30 are now selling it to the retail customer who's jumping in. I better get in. I got to get in. They're going to have a vaccine. Get me some of that stock. They're going to have a vaccine. No, the pros are selling their shares that they're up probably about 70%. Well, here, give me a percentage. They're up from $30 to $84. 180%. So think about the retail customer. He waits and buys it today when it's up 180%. Think, I better get in before it goes higher. I better get in before it goes higher. And people like us People like us, our members, and professionals and hedge funds already bought it when nobody wanted it. Now they're saying, here, have some of mine. Here, you can have mine. Have mine. Oh, my God. This is amazing what's going on. And in the meantime, manufacturing in April lost 1.3 million jobs, retail down 2.1 million. There's not going to be, there's not going to be a recovery. How are you going to have a recovery? Remember, the 10 percentile, that's where all the money goes. And they're hurting. Remember, it's the 10 percentile that does the spending, and it's the middle class who does the spending. And the middle class is broke, thanks to Obama. Obama blew up the middle class. So all we're having here today is a good run in the market. We're happy. Our stocks are going up nicely. But here's the key. We're going to know when to get out of these stocks because our chart works. And you got 10 days to prove me wrong. Our chart will turn red. Our chart will turn red and warn you well in advance. You better take your profits because it's going back down. In 10 days, I'm not going to convince you. You'll convince yourself in 10 days the chart absolutely works. I'm giving it to you free for 10 days. The membership, the color-coded chart, and every day at 2 o'clock, we post by a video all of our stocks, our member stocks. Just pick 1, 2, how many you want, and just do exactly what the video tells you to do. Here, listen, like today, if you're in Schlumberger.
Schlumberger, you can add lightly to, put a stop in at 1505.
So how can you go wrong? We tell you exactly what to do. By the way, remember I told you to buy gold? And nobody listened. And we bought gold when nobody wanted it. Now we're up in our gold about 55%. Nobody wanted it, remember? That's when you buy, when nobody wants it. We'll be back with some more stocks right after this break.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
I've signed up, and I've learned an incredible amount from Phil and Steve. The staff at Phil's Gang gives platinum-level service and stock recommendations. You know, it's as simple as that. At the end of a month or so, I've always been in the black. Phil's Gang is a class act. I'm happy to be a member.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. What if you could have an in-depth understanding of the stock market just like the pros? Well, thanks to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com, you can. philsgang.com offers comprehensive, up-to-date market information designed to help you understand and anticipate market behavior. With philsgang.com, you'll build your investing confidence even through down cycles and periods of uncertainty. Go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com today. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from, all that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Welcome back. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil Grandy. Simply go to philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
When I told you to buy gold, and I said, join my gang, buy gold. I'm talking about gold mining stocks, not the bullion. And buy gold stocks and buy gold mining stocks. Of course, we're up now in both those. We're up 15% in GLD, and the mining stocks are up 55%. I also told my members, let's buy oil when nobody wants these oils, like buy the refiners, buy the drillers, because those will start moving up. Remember when the oil price dropped and everybody ran like hell? I said, those will drop. Okay. Remember the first one I said buy, as I said, buy gold. The second I said buy the oils, and we did. And our oils are one gold stock. We're up AUI 70%. And our oils are doing very nicely. We have a couple of our oil. We have MRO, a refiner, that's up 13%. Valero is 11%. XOP, another oil, is up 8%. We're doing beautifully with our oil stocks as we did with our gold stocks. Our silver's up 18%. So what I'm telling my gang now is please start following the banks. Now, you want the banks and the credit cards. The two biggest banks, the two best banks that every hedge fund owns is Bank of America and Citi. We just bought a little of each one of those, BAC and the C is the symbol. And we just bought a little bit, not much. We call them scouts until they get going, just like we did with our gold, just like we did with our oil. We bought Visa. Okay, we bought Visa, just started to break out a little bit today. We bought MasterCard, just a couple shares, that's all, just to start with. Visa, MasterCard, and Citibank. okay, and we bought BAC. Now, they're very, very, matter of fact, BAC and Citi, Bank of America and Citi, not even green yet. So what we're doing is we just take what we call a scout. That way it forces us every day to stay with the stock, watch it, make sure we're in that position. When it turns green, bang, we hit it big, right? So please join my gang for 10 days. It's free. Follow us in these bank stocks. If you lost out in the gold stocks and the gold mining stocks, if you lost out in our oil stocks, for heaven's sakes, don't lose out with these bank stocks. They got to run the bank stocks. Here, listen what they're saying. Listen to this. Listen how stupid this is.
You know, the markets are different than the economy. The markets are a lot more...
Hear what he said. The markets are different than the economy. Listen to this.
You know, the markets are different than the economy. The markets are a lot more optimistic and forward-looking than the economy.
So he says the markets are more optimistic, the stock market, than the economy. What the hell is that? He's admitting the stock market's rigged. Remember, they always tell you that the stock market is the economy. He's telling you the truth. He's saying the economy is the economy, stock market, stock market. Because remember, the economy is 24 trillion in size. It has 6 trillion in cash. The stock market consists of 4,331 corporations with annual profits about 13 trillion, stock value about 27 trillion. Of the 4,431 stocks, just 500 of those stocks, called the S&P 500, captures 80% of the 27 trillion in stock value. And remember, the 1 percentile captures 85% of the growth of the profits. Can you imagine just the 1%? And the say the 1 percentile, let's say the 10 percentile, top 10 percentile. Now, so that means that these stocks, the S&P, and he's telling you they're totally different. But he's talking about the stock market's going to go up, not the economy. And he's right. The stock market's going to go up because it's financially engineered to go up. Because you had Powell last night telling everybody, I'm going to print as much money as I can because it's digital. Not to worry, I got your back. So he's going to destroy this country by printing and printing and printing, which is a cruel tax because it's inflation. So what we're going to do, we're going to be in these banks, because these banks, they got to push them up or the market's going to crash again. It's going to crash anyways. For anyone that thinks these rallies are going to hold when the banks are not leading, you're out of your mind. Okay, these are all put together with a story of we found a cure, we're finding a virus. 8 healthy young people in their 20s gave them a shot and they're still alive. Well, of course they're going to be alive. Why don't you give that same shot to somebody like me at 75? I'll die right here in the microphone. No, they're not going to do that. Test won't work, right? It's unbelievable. So my point is there's such a disconnect. It's unbelievable. It's just drive you out of your mind. Now, again, join today and please follow the bank stocks, okay, with us? And you're not too late. Just go to my site, philsgang.com, where it says Get Started. Working Investors, what you sign up for, that. And then every day at 2 o'clock, we post a video on our stocks and do exactly what the video says, okay? And when you do after 10 days, and you don't use your own money during the 10 days. After the 10 days, you start out and you're doing well and you're making money. Please help St. Jude. That's what it's about. So anyways, yesterday I'm listening to Meet the Press, right? Oh boy, are they pushing Obama. They know Biden can't win, so they got to push Obama. Like he's running, right? So listen to this.
We see now is President Obama really getting into general election territory and starting to gear up the might of the Obama name. He is ready for this fight. He was at first...
Wait a minute. When did he start running? You got Joe Biden down in the cellar hiding. Now they bring Obama out who starts trying to tear Trump apart. Are you kidding me? But let's talk about that. And I don't like talking about the politics because, like I tell you, I'd love to do it. I'd love to be able to do a whole show on politics. I would love it, right? But we got to remember, you see the gangsters, you see the characters on that side of the books, okay? You see them on CNBC and Fox and Business and all these people and Bloomberg's. You see them, right? They're a bunch of gangsters, terrible people. They're but remember, on our side, the stock market, you got financial terrorists who are worse than them. So I'm going to work this side of the street. Let Hannity work that side of the street. But I can't let them get away with this. I can't let them get away. You remember, we lost so many jobs. Let's just take under Obama. The middle class, which is the most important part of our economy. You can't have a healthy economy without the middle class because they create the jobs. They create the startup businesses. They're the ones who spend money. The rich don't spend money. They got everything they have. They got everything already. When they spend money, when they get money, they put in a pile with the rest of the money. And the poor, when they get money, they pay their past bills. So you got to get the money to the middle class. So under Obama, his so-called, quote, middle-class economics. Now here she's bragging about, oh, boy, the Obama name. Yeah, right. Wage growth was only up 1.5% in 8 years. I mean, Trump's not doing much better, 2.8%. But again, the same thing is just, after years and years, 8 years, under Obama, we had this economic stagnation. Now, he promised that the only thing needed to revive our economy when he got in, after Bush destroyed it, was more middle-class benefits. That never happened. Middle class didn't get any more benefits. They got screwed. Are you kidding? Every income group suffered losses under Obama. The overall poverty numbers exploded by almost 600,000 among these full-time jobs that, remember, went to part-time because of Obamacare, that went to poverty. Remember, when you go from full-time to part-time, you go right to poverty. And that's what happened under Obama with the Obamacare. Remember that? Oh, and he's got the name? What are you, nuts? Obama? Give me a break. We'll be right back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy. Is your business prepared to respond to any emergency in the workplace? Well, you better be. Let over 30 years of law enforcement experience go to work for you. Boyd Investigative Group is here for all your business security needs. I know. I use them. They're terrific. Call today for your free confidential consultation. 941-724-4535. That's 941-724-4535. Or visit them on the website, BoydInvestigativeGroup.com.
License number A1900020.
Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. The fastest drop in history, 3,000 points in 3 days. Wow. But we are right there with my color-coded chart. How many times did you say, listening to me, boy, he's negative. He's just a grumpy old man. And I kept telling you this would happen. And with my color-coded chart, it worked. Check it out. Go to my site, philsgang.com, where you get the color-coded chart and you get my membership free for 10 days. And the best thing is this, that you can, without any work at all, at 2 o'clock, go to my site. We have a video posted of our portfolio stocks. Just select which one you want to follow. Every day, we tell you exactly what to do based on the color-coded chart. If you just follow those instructions to a T, then you're going to have the highest probability of being successful. Check it out, philsgang.com. Get it free for 10 days, the membership and the color-coded charts. See you on the charts.
Thinking about investing in the stock market? Go to philsgang.com, where we have over 50 years experience in trading and investing in the stock market. Phil's Gang teaches you how to make profits in the market with stock chart analysis, up-to-the-minute alerts, and always keeping you informed with professional guidance in long and short-term positions. Go to philsgang.com or call one of our professional staff to answer your questions. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Stop wondering about your financial future and start doing something about it.
Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. How many times did you say, boy, he's negative about the stock market? He's just a grumpy old man. Well, it proved out I was correct. Myself and my chart. Color-coded chart. Tells you when to buy, when to sell, when to run like hell. Hey, it's free for 10 days. Check it out. You get the color-coded chart and you get my membership. Both free for 10 days. This time, you're not going to be surprised when the market crashes. You will be positioned perfectly. Check it out, philsgang.com.
Welcome back. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil Grandy. Simply go to philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
Like a rocket ship, it's going to go up.
Supply right now in investment grade is close to $1 trillion, and it will be over $1 trillion by the end of the day.
We're probably going to see another wave of bankruptcies.
Like a rocket ship, it's going to go up.
We cannot rely as extensively as we have in the past with respect to overseas countries, including China. It still has to be held accountable. So maybe, this is a maybe the corporate tax rate of 21% should be lowered by 50%.
There you go. Drop the tax rate again. For corporations aren't paying any taxes anyways. There's Larry. Very smart, Larry. Let's cut the corporate tax rate again. The first time they cut it, remember what happened? They were already only paying 11%, the real tax rate, because they buy Congress. They've been buying Congress for year after year after year, buying them off. They weren't paying no 25%, 30%. It's unbelievable. Now his idea is cut taxes again for large corporations. But that doesn't put any money in your pocket or the economy. Because when they cut their taxes, their profits go up, but they don't take any of those profits, and they don't plow them back into the company to buy new equipment, new machinery, new technology, so that productivity increases. And from productivity increases, your wages increase, your savings increase. And from those savings increase, we increase the middle class. The middle class gets stronger because they can go to a bank and borrow money to start new businesses. 80% of our jobs come from startup businesses. But none of that's been happening under Obama, and it hasn't been happening under Trump. The middle class has shrunk. It's dying out. Are you kidding me? So what do we do? I can't fix that. I'm not the president. I can't fix that. First thing you do is get rid of the Federal Reserve. Second thing you do, no more tax cuts for the corporations. Let's take the everyday working person. There's 137 million people that are working. Let's stop with payroll taxes. Stop the payroll taxes now. That's how you get the economy going. Screw the big corporations and their tax cuts. It only benefits them. Because, again, remember, if they would take that tax cut money, or at least put in a mandate, if we're going to cut your taxes again down by 50% more, then you got to take that money and plow it back into your company in way of business investment, so wages will go up, savings will go up, and the economy can grow, and everybody wins. But no, they don't care about that. You heard what this guy said. He said we're going to look. He said we're going to just go ahead and build the corporations. Where was that cut? Let's see. I think it was.
Supply right now in investment grade is close to $1 trillion, and it will be over $1 trillion by the end of the day, year to date. It's all been driven by corporate America. By the end of the day today, corporate America will have financed as much in 2020 as it did for the entirety of 2019.
Imagine, today, they're going to have borrowed more money than they did all of 2019. Unbelievable, right? And then they're telling us that the corporations, okay, here.
You know, the markets are different than the economy. The markets are a lot more optimistic and forward-looking.
So they're telling us, the hell with the economy, the market. Let's keep on doing quantitative easing and keep the market going up. But with the market going up, so here they're going to do, keep pushing the market up, and they're going to keep on giving the corporations free money. None of that money is going to go to you in way of business investment where you get your productivity increased, your wages increased. And now they're going to cut taxes. Another great idea. Cut taxes even more for the corporations so they get even more money. But you don't get any of that either. You're not going to take their profits. They're not going to take the benefits from the tax cut and put it into business investment. They're going to put it into buying their own stock. So when their earnings suck, and they got 10 million shares outstanding, and their earnings are 4%, which means they don't have enough earnings to spread over the 10 million shares. They have too many shares. That means the stock will go down $5. They borrow more money at 0%, and they buy their stock down, move it down. So from 10 million shares down to 8 million shares, now 4%, they can spread it over. They got a lot less shares, and their stock price goes up. This is all they're doing. But how does that help you? It doesn't. What helps you is me and my team right here. Phil's Gang, we help you. We help you. Now remember, what's driving this whole stock market, this whole rally? And we're not going anywhere. That's what people don't realize. They hear, oh, we're up 900 points today. They think, wow, this is something. Where are we going? Go take a look at the S&P. We're nowhere. We haven't gone anywhere. The S&P is just, it stays in the right. Here we are again. We keep on going up the same area. We go from this like 298. We go from like 280 to 298. We've been doing that for 5 weeks now. 5 weeks, right? We have in the same range. And go look at the volume today. The market's rallying today, but there's no buyers. There's few buyers. A lot of it is short covering. People would think, I'm going to short the market. They have to cover their position and say, gee, I better not short the market. They're going to put all this money in the economy. Powell's going to just keep doing printing money digitally, and he's never going to stop. And he's going to keep bailing out all these companies. So all you got to do to make money, why miss an opportunity? Remember, you don't buy stocks anymore by way of fundamentals. Nobody buys stocks with fundamentals anymore. Why would you? Fundamentals are gone. It doesn't matter anymore what the cash flow is or the return on assets or nothing. That doesn't matter anymore. All you got to know is the crooks, the big institutions, the gangsters. Are they buying Bank of America? Are they putting money in the Bank of America? Yes, they are. Are they putting money in Visa? Yes, they are. Matter of fact, it turned green and it just broke out Visa. We just bought some today. Because, see, it went from red to green. But here's the thing that's beautiful about it. Let them rig this market go up higher and higher and higher, and we'll be there taking in all those profits. But then when the market crashes again, just like it did in February, we'll have our members out. But more important, not only out, but they'll be positioned to make money on the way down. I don't know how to get across to people If you're in the market, you should not be in the market, I should say, unless with the same ease that you buy a stock, that you can sell a stock short. If you don't know how to do that, you should take all the money in the market you have and get out. Get out. Because in these markets, you're going to have these fake rallies and then these big crashes. Fake rallies, big crashes. These fake rallies are going to be volatile. They're going to go up like today, big time. And then they're going to turn around and go down the other way. All you got to know is in advance of it going down so you can turn your position from buying the stock, like the banks, to selling them short. Just simply change the position. We do it for you. You haven't got to even understand it. You haven't got to know what a short means. All you've got to know is the market's going down the first time in your life. You're going to be making money as the market goes down. Every time, think about it. Every time the market crashed, every time the market corrected, how did it feel, your stomach, when you saw the market going down? How many people did you call and say, what should I do? What should I do? What should I do? When the answer is simple. When the market's going down, you make money when it's going down. But people don't do it because they've been told year after year after year for the last 100 years, don't ever short a stock. You'll get murdered. You'll get killed. It's a big fat lie. Because remember, the whole Wall Street does not make money unless you buy a stock. They never make money when you short a stock. So they put out a fake narrative, just like gold. Do you notice all the fake business news networks? I showed my members today, gold, out of the 11 sectors in the S&P 500, it's outperforming. Gold is outperforming every sector. I showed them today. But why aren't you hearing on fake business news networks, Fox News or CNBC or Bloomberg? Why don't you hear them say, buy gold mining stocks, buy gold stocks? No, what do they tell you? Buy healthcare stocks, buy healthcare, buy Google, buy Amazon. Unbelievable. Join now, free for 10 days. Go to my site, free chart, free membership, 10 days. See you on the chart. You'll love it.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.